Ciao ciao dosto. Today we move from calcio to cappuccino. But चर्चा तो वही है.
पहले ही बोल देता हूँ, मेरे को लगता है इसको थ्रोबैक एपिसोड नाम दे देना चाहिए.
Oh yes.
35 मिनिमम लोग का जरूरत होता था. मेरे को अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स को ही बुलाना पड़ता था, भाई तुम आ जाओ नहीं तो मेरे जेब से पैसे जाएंगे.
And he was leaning towards United and I was leaning towards Arsenal.
Being a United fan, you have to hate Liverpool यार. अगर कोई स्क्रीनिंग में आके बोले यार मैं बैठने आया हूँ, मुझे स्क्रीन देखना है, थोड़ा हट जाओ, तो मैं पहले ही बोल देता हूँ भाई तू घर चले जा.
Welbeck, Dinchak, Welbeck. And imagine
There was another Fletcher के पॉकेट में Fabregas.
ये थोड़ा टर्न अराउंड यूनाइटेड का दिस सीजन हुआ है बिकॉज़ सुनील भाई ने जाके नारियल फोड़ा था उधर जाके. This is
तो एक बार very funny enough they told me कि अगर जो तुझे इससे पैसा नहीं मिल रहा है तो इतना इन्वेस्टमेंट होना. I'm like talk to me now. She like we thought that someone died. You really have to react that loudly.
Presenting our very own in-house tactician from the streets of Ballad, Parmeshwar Srivastava.
अब रोनाल्डो का नाम नहीं लिया तो हमको
फॉरगेट जो पब्लिक क्या बोलेगी, दिल से बोलो रोनाल्डो यस और नो. व्हाट इज गोइंग रॉन्ग? क्या हो रहा है? इज इट द मैनेजमेंट? इज इट द प्लेयर्स और इज इट द मैनेजर?
Yes.
पाँच घंटे का एपिसोड हो जाएगा.
Ciao ciao dosto. Today we move from calcio to cappuccino. But चर्चा तो वही है. I'm Ajay. This is Chintan. And welcome to episode 1 of Cappuccino Pe Charcha. From the cobble street cafes of Rome to the coffee houses of Bengaluru. आज के एपिसोड में बहुत ही चर्चा होने वाला है. We're going to have a lot of fun, a lot of back and forth. थोड़ा सा laughter, tears. Hopefully they don't make me cry a lot. But trust me, आज के जो stories है, it's going to be sensational.
An episode packed with all things football, where we laugh, argue, and maybe even cry a little bit with our guests who love their football clubs a little too much. So buckle up, boys, because here no war is going to save your opinions. And tonight we have two very special people with us who support a club Jabi when we were growing up were probably the most hip, the most popular club, not in just our country but in the entire world.
The only club maybe.
Yeah, and I think they still are, but for all the wrong reasons. So we have two guys so passionate about their clubs that they started a fan club which they can proudly say is the first official football fan club of our country. We have Sunil Bhai and Animesh here with us, guys.
थैंक यू फॉर कॉलिंग अस. पहले ही बोल देता हूँ, मेरे को लगता है इसको थ्रोबैक एपिसोड नाम दे देना चाहिए.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Yes, it is. So Sunil Bhai, let's get into it. First club, जो फर्स्ट फैन क्लब है जो ऑफिशियल इन इंडिया. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल मी हाउ डिड दिस हैपन?
यार मैं पूरा क्रेडिट तो नहीं लूंगा बिकॉज देयर इज अ गाय कॉल्ड सुमित, उसने चालू किया था द सपोर्टर्स. इट वाज अ फैन क्लब फर्स्ट. आई वाज इन यूएस दैट टाइम एंड आई वाज वाचिंग, आई वाज डिसाइडिंग फ्यूचर में क्या करना चाहिए. कोइंसिडेंटली आई केम बैक, आई वांटेड टू स्टार्ट अ पब ऑफ माय ओन एंड मुझे लगा यार दिस इज समथिंग आई वांट टू गेट इनटू. आई बिकेम अ मॉडरेटर, वी यूज्ड टू कॉल दैट अ मॉडरेटर दैट टाइम पे. एंड मैं फुल्ली एक्टिव हो गया वेन्यू ढूंढने में, स्क्रीनिंग ऑर्गेनाइज करने में. सो आफ्टर सुमित लेफ्ट आई थिंक आई टुक ओवर द रेन्स. एंड ये फर्स्ट कौन आया, आई थिंक दैट्स स्टिल अ डिबेट, बट आर्सेनल, चेल्सी, एवरीवन यूज्ड टू मीट. एंड उस टाइम तो पब्स दिखाते भी नहीं थे फुटबॉल, एवरीथिंग वाज क्रिकेट. वी यूज्ड टू रेंट बैंक्वेट हॉल एंड वहाँ पे हम लोग स्क्रीनिंग करते थे. एंड 35 मिनिमम लोग का जरूरत होता था. मेरे को अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स को ही बुलाना पड़ता था, भाई तुम आ जाओ नहीं तो मेरे जेब से पैसे जाएंगे. बट नाउ हियर वी आर, नाउ 350 लोग भी हमको वेन्यू छोटा पड़ता है, तो इट्स बीन अ लॉन्ग जर्नी.
वाओ, 350. इधर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑफिशियल का भी सवाल बहुत दूर है. एंड हम लोग पूरे कैल्सियो कम्युनिटी को मिला देंगे तो भी शायद 350 नहीं होंगे. बट यू नो
नहीं, इनिशियली हमको भी ऐसे ही लगता था, जस्ट कीप वर्किंग हार्ड एंड यू मतलब हो जाता है यार. आई थिंक ऑटोमेटिकली इट हैपेंस.
Sunil ji, we want to know your origin story of how you. I know you've said this, like you know, on multiple shows. But थोड़ा तड़का लगा के, थोड़ा Italian तड़का लगा के, if you can just tell us, of how you became a fan. Was it a player? Was it a game? A specific.
Yeah, I think for me it was a player, David Beckham.
Oh yes.
World Cup देख रहा था 98 I think. And Beckham मेरा favorite था. I used to support England before I supported Manchester United.
Wow.
And बेकम का नाम सुना, मुझे बाद में पता चला यूनाइटेड के लिए खेलता है एंड दे वन द ट्रेबल. क्रिकेट का भी बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ. 99 में जब आई यूज्ड टू वॉच द वर्ल्ड कप, दे कमेंटेटर्स केप्ट मेंशनिंग this club winning the treble and then I became curious and became a fan. So I'll say David Beckham को credit दूंगा, उसके वजह से fan बना.
Wow, Annie, similar story, same favorite player?
Yes, same favorite player. But to go back one step, I was like, if Sunil has to properly sum up MUFC, it's from the days of Orkut to the days of Twitter memes.
Oh yes.
That's how far supporters club have come.
Oh yes.
Orkut से organize करते करते अभी Twitter पे लड़ते हैं और कुछ नहीं. But yeah, David Beckham it is. Yeah, my dad used to travel a lot for work back in the day, and he found a David Beckham jersey off the street, fake jersey. Did not know about it obviously. He's come and got it for me. And at the same time, तभी वो decide कर रहा था कि boss, Henry looks good, David Beckham looks good, Arsenal and United का वो rivalry चालू था. And one fine day वो आके jersey देते हैं. And एक match चालू था, and me and my cousin were watching it together. And he was leaning towards United, and I was leaning towards Arsenal. That jersey, that on the right moment was a good intervention because yeah, he definitely actually shaped a lot of early football viewing for me. कि कैसे फुटबॉल फॉलो करना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए, कौन सा प्लेयर अच्छा लगता है. But then eventually became all United after that and history.
In fact, let me just throw you on, in the spotlight for a bit, quickly, without thinking. The biggest rival of United.
Liverpool यार, I think
Liverpool.
सोचने का जरूरत.
Not Arsenal.
हाँ, मैं ये बोलूँगा कि when I was in college, there was only Arsenal and United.
Exactly.
But then I understood the nuances of football, and being a United fan, you have to hate Liverpool यार. They are the biggest competitor in terms of number of titles कौन जीत रहा है ये वो. तो I think उसके बड़ा कोई rivalry है नहीं.
What about your noisy neighbors?
No one even mentioned Man City. You didn't ask Man City. You asked Arsenal, right? Honestly, Arsenal, अगर जो आप पूछोगे, which was our most fiercest rivalry, जो हम सबसे enjoy करते थे, till date it was the old school O2 Arsenal and United का this thing. उसके बाद, look, it's not been that heated, लेकिन Liverpool वो constant रहा है ना, वो North West pain in the ass थोड़ा तो.
But for us, actually, Barclays was all Arsenal versus United. I think that game, वो popcorn खा के बैठ जाते थे. Not just the players, even the managers, So it is way beyond it. So the thing is, आपने जब ये सोचा था, जब ये चालू किया था, that we'll gather people to watch the games, जब ये first screening किया था, and tell us what goes into this, Sunil bhai, because the planning to get people, some people back out, to get money out of people, कि आप इतना पैसा दो. So how do you
See,
start?
I think the crux is you should give an experience जो आपको घर बैठे नहीं मिले. तो अगर कोई स्क्रीनिंग में आके बोले यार मैं बैठने आया हूँ, मुझे स्क्रीन देखना है, थोड़ा हट जाओ, तो मैं पहले ही बोल देता हूँ भाई तू घर चले जा, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट समवेयर जहाँ पे आप बैठ के देखने आए हो. एंड आई फील चैंट्स इज अ वेरी एसेंशियल थिंग. जो मैं वानखेड़े जाता था पहले मुंबई इंडियंस एंड इंडिया को देखने, आई हैव बीन गोइंग फॉर इयर्स. तो आई थिंक वो मुझे स्क्रीनिंग में लाना था. मेरे को याद है मैं पहले हिंदी चैंट का पैम्पलेट्स बांटता था कि ये गाओ तुम. तो जब तक वो करेंगे नहीं तब तक आई डोंट फील वो फील आएगा. मतलब अब वो घर बैठ के देखने वाला एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है. हाउ टू make people pay money for all this, yeah, I think then the team has to come in. But fortunately, I'm telling you, 13 years, we have been not winning, but our pub still gets full.
Yeah, amazing.
Our reservations are always full. तो वो पता नहीं यार. I feel Manchester United is still the biggest club in England.
In fact, I have a hypothetical theory. Like, I feel that everyone in our generation, and like you mentioned, this is a throwback episode, a classic episode. मतलब ये चार अंकल लोग बैठ के अभी कॉफी पीने वाले और चर्चा करने वाला about football. I think everyone starts off as a United fan and then they diverge. It's just
I'll be very honest, because जब भी मैंने भी चालू किया था, same I had a few people Arsenal की तरफ लीन कर रहे थे, but I was a big Ruud van Nistelrooy fan.
Oh,
so
yeah.
when Henry was doing well, I was like, अरे Ruud अच्छा कर ले तो अच्छा हो जाएगा. So Fabian Barthez, it's a very
You all know those Facebook badges used to come?
Yeah.
When you join Facebook, please pick your club badges. So there was an extension. बहुत सारे लोग करते थे United, Liverpool, Bayern Munich, Real Madrid, and then it would eventually come to one of AC or Inter तभी, right? And then you will find origin stories who started United first and where they ended up. मालूम पड़ता था तभी.
Yep, fantastic. आपने chants mention किया सुनील जी. Any chant that you recall which you can share with all the viewers, which is really
मैंने ये story, I think a lot of fan clubs do this, but वो बार्मी आर्मी का एक चैंट था, एवरीवेयर वी गो.
I love that.
वो मैंने कॉपी करके अपना मुंबई वर्जन बना दिया था. तो एवरीवेयर वी गो वो मैंने
People wanna know, yeah,
पीपल
who
वांट टू
we
नो
are.
वी आर, वो हम लोग ने एक मुंबई का एक वर्जन दे दिया. दैट इज माय फेवरेट चैंट. एंड जो भी आता था, आई थिंक कहीं पे भी स्क्रीनिंग में पीछे भी खड़ा हो, जब वो ये गाना जब चालू होता था, दे नो मैं ये गा रहा हूँ, That's always a chant associated with me. So.
यानी कुछ मजेदार हिंदी या मराठी चैंट्स है जो आपको याद है?
बहुत इट्स नॉट अ वेरी कैची चैंट या बहुत स्मार्ट वन. बहुत मुझे मजा आता था दैट पॉइंट बिकॉज हमारे लगा वो मसाया था हमारा वेल बैक ढिंचैक वेल बैक एंड इमेजिन
There was another Fletcher के पॉकेट में Fabregas. ये भी एक चैंट रहता था. एंड फिर आई थिंक मेन हम लोग ने चालू किया था वो वानखेड़े का एटमॉस्फेयर लाने के लिए लगे से गणपति बप्पा मोरया से हम लोग ने चालू किया था भाई. पहले ये गाना सीख लो तुम, उसके बाद तुम ऑटोमेटिकली. एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ प्रोग्रेशन. आप शुरू करो एक चैंट से. ऑब्वियसली किसी को ये हिंदी चैंट्स कॉन्स्टेंटली नहीं गाना है, बट नाउ वी एक्सपेक्ट लाइक अभी हमारे 20 लोग स्टेटफोर्ड एंड में उनको टिकट मिला है हमारे ग्रुप ट्रिप में. आई टोल्ड देम भाई वहां जाके हमारा नाम नहीं खराब करना है. यू नीड टू नो ऑल द चैंट्स. आप सिर्फ उधर पिक्चर खींचने वीडियो बनाने नहीं जा रहे. लाइक यू आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग अस, यू शुड बी एबल टू सिंग ऑल द चैंट्स.
वी वर फीचर्ड ना बाय द पब जब भी हम तुम लोग गए थे ट्रिप में. वो व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड व्हेन यू ऑल वेंट जहां पे मेन बिशप्स प्लेस में व्हेन द होल ग्रुप हैड गॉन द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम. इतना अच्छा चैंटिंग वांटिंग किया था दैट द लोकल बॉयज sang मुंबई's रेड आर्मी फॉर देम. This is the regular Stratford जो जाते हैं.
There was a guy, मैं भी नाम भूल रहा हूँ, बिशप प्लेस में. I used to watch his videos on YouTube and I used to dream कि एक दिन हम ऐसा बनेंगे. जब हम लोग उधर गए तो they sang a song for us. So it was so good. Pete Boyle, हाँ. I think I used to grow up watching his videos.
This is the power of manifestation, and that's why we are doing Cappuccino पे चर्चा with both of you. I mean,
And the best part is, as you said, where you started, and now, and of course, I think पूरे ट्विटर और पूरे इंडिया में सबको पता है कि ये थोड़ा टर्न अराउंड यूनाइटेड का दिस सीजन हुआ है बिकॉज सुनील भाई ने जाके नारियल फोड़ा था.
नारियल फोड़ा है. Yeah, it is because of the नारियल.
So guys, जिसके क्लब अच्छा नहीं करे, जाओ अपने क्लब में नारियल फोड़ो. Take some inspiration from.
पूरा अभी तक सीजन खत्म नहीं हुआ है तो क्रेडिट नहीं लूंगा, मगर अगर अच्छा हो जाए तो यस.
रिमेंबर सिद्धि विनायक से लेके जाना है. उसने सिद्धि विनायक से लेके गया था apparently.
But guys, this is what it is. I think people don't understand, right? सब लोग ऐसे मस्ती करेंगे. Of course, we are football fans. We do understand what it means that हम लोग बॉम्बे में बैठ के एक क्लब को आप सपोर्ट कर रहे हो which is so far, you know, so it is something which comes from within. As you said, he could have been an Arsenal fan and you were an England fan first. So it is so beautiful. But now एक चीज पूछना चाहता हूँ, you guys, how did you guys meet? Did you go for a screening? That is how you met him?
Yeah, तो basically एक long term already supporters club का, it was not official back then, but someone used to go very often. और मेरा school friend था. He like you have to come watch. And then we had another set of friends जो common थे. They were like, please come. So it was back in the day, then they moved from Dadar से, they moved to Irish pub in खार. जहाँ पे बहुत joint screening होते थे लिवरपूल के साथ joint screening. वो आजकल कोई imagine भी नहीं कर सकता, but without too many incidents, joint screening करना पड़ता था. कितने लोग थे? 400 लोग almost वो बाहर के section.
500, 600 joint screening used to go to that number and us moderators we used to stand
हाथ पकड़ के
as a wall. हम लोग wall बन के खड़े रहते थे बीच में ताकि fighting चालू ना हो जाए. हाँ.
तो तभी I had gone one of those in about 2010-11 में I think, right after this college I think was, and I had gone for one of them and I had met him that time and up front so सबको ये iconic सुनील का मालूम है. हाँ तो मैं क्या करूँ, तो जा उधर खड़ा रहे साइड में, because he's, so you might think that he's so dialed in, right? And I just observed him for 2 minutes going up and down, figuring everything out, and I saw the other side also and how they were just so involved, and I'm like, ये यहाँ पे काम नहीं करते, ये यहाँ पे उनका कुछ स्टेक नहीं है. It's just for me to come watch a good game, not at home. So this is for me that first immediate exposure was United Liverpool. After that, there was no going back, man. And like, obviously, he was iconically like, yelling and singing, starting the chant, standing on the table, banging the furniture, right? When you see all of that, you're like, wow, this is what I want.
ये जो joint screening के days थे ना भाई, I think it happened only for 1.5 years, but ऐसा लगता था हम कोई जंग वंग में जा रहे हैं भाई. That's why maybe I was dialed out, maybe. But ऐसे ही होता था. It used to be crazy.
Wow. So, but then of course.
Oh, sorry to cut you, but there's one joint screening जहाँ पे लिवरपूल यूनाइटेड, I don't know which screening came to, बट लिवरपूल वाले ने हमारा एक जर्सी बाहर जलाया था. मतलब इट यूज्ड टू गो टू दैट लेवल ऑफ हेटेड. मैं बोल रहा हूँ अगर जॉइंट स्क्रीनिंग के डेज कंटिन्यू होते ना, आई विश देयर इज अ वेन्यू बिग इनफ टू अकोमोडेट एवरीवन टुगेदर. जैसा अभी प्रीमियर लीग ने एक इवेंट किया था जहाँ पे मेरा वीडियो पे मानस ने रिस्पॉन्ड किया. तो आई थिंक झगड़े होते पुलिस आएगा भाई, इतना राइवलरी है.
लेकिन वो जॉइंट स्क्रीनिंग का एक ही तो मजा चाहिए कि वी वांट टू सी वन मानस वर्सेस सुनील भाई लाइव. मतलब दोनों का
maybe big octagon ring.
नहीं, हम लोग ने वैसे बहुत किए जॉइंट स्क्रीनिंग. मानस को 15 साल से जानता हूँ तो हम लोग ने बहुत किए. मे बी पहले डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं होते थे. आई विश आई टेल एवरीवन कि भाई अगर जब हम जीत रहे थे तब ये इंस्टाग्राम होता ना, तो मैं तो सबको रुला देता हूँ.
Listen, I think echo that opinion.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think हम लोग because Serie A के भी golden days was तो वो तभी होता था. That would have been absolutely amazing. But my one question is, of course हम लोग ने आपके perspective से देखा how difficult or easy it is to work with the club.
है like थोड़ा टफ है बिकॉज 13 साल से हम जीते नहीं है तो मैंने एक बार कुछ बोल भी दिया था क्लब के अगेंस्ट तो क्लब ने मुझे वार्निंग दिया था तो मैंने ट्विटर पे कुछ डाल दिया था क्लब के अगेंस्ट विच वेंट वायरल बिकॉज मैं आई टोल्ड द क्लब मैं यहाँ पे प्रचार करने नहीं आया हूँ लाइक आई कैन से वॉट एवर आई फील लाइक सपोर्टर्स क्लब का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि हर टाइम सपोर्ट ही करे जब बुरा भी होता है तो एंड इटली इज नोन फॉर ऑल दिस मतलब सपोर्टर्स क्लब का तो उधर बहुत बड़ा हाथ होता है तो आई थिंक डिफिकल्ट है विद द चेंजिंग ओनरशिप ऑल्सो इट्स फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग एट टाइम्स एंड यू सी मोस्ट ऑफ द इंग्लिश क्लब्स नाउ आप चैंपियनशिप में हो प्रीमियर लीग में एवरीवन इज प्रोटेस्टिंग अगेंस्ट देयर ओनर कोई कुछ नहीं अपने ओनर से तो ये तो एक एग्जिस्टिंग ट्रेंड है इट्स नॉट इजी बट मेरा एक ही है कि भाई आखिर में आई एम डूइंग दिस टू हेल्प पीपल टू गो टू ओल्ड ट्रैफर्ड बीइंग एन ऑफिशियल सपोर्टर्स क्लब वी गेट एक्सेस टू टिकट्स एट फेस वैल्यू तो मेरे को वो रिलेशन खराब नहीं करना सो दैट मैं किसी और का नुकसान न करूँ तो वी कीप दिस गोइंग and every year I think we issue around 100 to 120 tickets for home games for Premier League games तो मेरे को वो दूसरे का वो स्पॉइल नहीं करना करके बना के रखते बट टू बी फेयर मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड हैज बीन ग्रेट टू अस एज अ सपोर्टर्स क्लब आल्सो दे हैव हेल्प्ड अस अ लॉट एंड इतने लोगों का सपना होता है वो स्टेडियम में जाना तो दे हैव बीन आल्सो वेरी गुड विद अस तो मैं कुछ बुरा ही
भी भेजा ना यहाँ पे दे सेंड प्लेयर्स
या एवरी टाइम द प्लेयर्स कम वी गेट
के साथ।
एक्सेस लाइक हमको प्लेयर को मिलने ही मिलता है एज अ सपोर्टर्स क्लब तो दे हैव बीन ग्रेट बट आई एम टेलिंग यू इट्स नेवर इजी वो इनसाइड रिलेशन सबको हर सपोर्टर्स क्लब को अपना पता होगा इतना भी आसान नहीं होता
People come and told us Onana, Maguire and Dalot were here last time and people were like why didn't you tell Onana off? Why didn't you do this? Why didn't you do that? You can say your honest opinions. We can say what we want to. But उसके बाद वहाँ पे very telling scene for United fans who are watching this also. हम genuinely surprised थे. There were a lot of kids who were under 12, under 11 who had come there. Not just 5, 6, about 20, 25 of them. And they came to us saying, please get a jersey, please get it signed. And we were like, हम तो बोल देंगे इसको कुछ भी, हमारा तो हो जाएगा. But then what about these guys? Will they ever get access to it? And how will they support the club? Right now things are so bad and the United fans, coming up. So देखने नहीं मिल रहा है.
Yeah.
So that balance of ki, is it the right thing to do for you, your opinions as a fan or versus responsibility to carry the community way beyond him, for him what he's been doing for 20 years and way beyond all of us. It has to be everlasting, right, for football.
Wow.
Right.
इतने inside, I don't think Ajay, anyone watching here, I don't think people know what it takes to run a fan club like this. And मेरा एक दूसरा important question था, that जैसे clubs में up and downs आते रहते हैं, fans sometimes don't want to come because your team is not winning, and football is a circle. Of course, you've seen a winning cycle that was probably longer than probably many clubs. And abhi to see these tough times, is it hard that कई fans बोलते हैं have given up on United or ऐसा? Do you face any of these things?
हाँ I feel देखो आखिर में what we do is an escape from real life. Sometimes people don't want that escape. तो when it becomes torturous, public नहीं आते तो मैं किसी को blame नहीं करता. And वैसे भी 20 साल से हम लोग exist कर रहे हैं. जो पहले आते थे अब उनके बच्चे हैं यार. Now they like become fathers. But it's a cycle. New people come and मगर कोई नहीं आता तो मैं उसको fault नहीं करता. But I'm again telling you, we have been so lucky. 13 साल से हम नहीं जीत रहे, but I'm telling you, we'll still get the highest numbers in terms of people showing up to screenings. We are blessed. मतलब Manchester United
30th October only ना 2013 you became official, right?
हाँ, I think 30th October 12 years back we became official.
Oh, wow.
So
That's amazing, man. That's absolutely
And it was the
fantastic.
United versus Arsenal screening that day, by the way. It has so happened to be.
Our old school rivalry.
Our old school rivalry, man.
Now, my point is, you guys, of course, got to know each other, and now you have probably the best podcast name ever. Football Bloody Hell.
All him.
Now, of course, by the way, whenever I hear Football Bloody Hell, I can just hear Sir Alex saying that, So, how did we get to that? Like, कैसे decide किया कि अभी इतना सब सहन कर रहे हैं तो अभी वीडियो में सबके साथ share करें?
It's like an extension, right, of the fan club onto the
I've been
podcast.
wanting to do content for years. Like पहले एनी ने खुद से भी अपना एक चैनल करता था. So I used to always tell them कि भाई आप MEFSIM के बैनर में आके करो and supporters group के बैनर में. I always wanted to do it. He took the initiative. I came up with that name because मैं वही सोच रहा था कोई भी यूनाइटेड फैन सबसे ज़्यादा सुना हुआ टर्म वो फुटबॉल बड़ी हेली है तो आई थिंक आफ्टर दैट इट्स ऑल बीन एनी बिहाइंड द सीन्स मेहनत करता है मैं सिर्फ आके अपना 2 cents देता हूँ. That's why.
Listen, do your wives complain? Because I know we get that. You know, because like यार speed dial में चिंतन ही रहता है. Whenever like you know you're on the phone, you're talking to Chintan. So does that happen with y'all as well?
यार एनी को पूछो बिकॉज मेरा तो क्या I've been doing this for 20 years. Like स्क्रीनिंग एक विंग है, there is ticketing, there is मतलब बहुत सारा ये है, उसमें कंटेंट has become the new. अब मुझे इस उम्र में भी रील बनाना पड़ेगा. आप एनी को पूछो उसकी वाइफ क्या बोलती है.
तो एक बार वेरी फनी इनफ दे टोल्ड मी कि अगर जो तुझे इससे पैसा नहीं मिल रहा है तो इतना इन्वेस्टमेंट होना. आई एम लाइक टॉक टू मी नाउ. That was for a sound bite, you can cut this out. But अभी हुआ था ग्रिम्सबी के सामने मैच, और ग्रिम्सबी सबको मालूम है क्या हुआ था. And I'll give you that example because that was now 3:34 in the morning, and she just comes straight with the kid in the hand. She like we thought that someone died. You really have to react that loud. Is it really hurting you that much? I'm like, yes. Just picked up, just walked away straight. Yes, honestly, it is a tough decision to sometimes explain to your wives or your spouses currently what's going on. But in turn, I'll give you another beautiful story, which is going to hurt Ajay a lot. I swear I'm not making this up.
Okay, I'm going to leave this now because I know where this is heading.
It is. So it came to watching Champions League matches in school. और स्कूल पे आपको सबको मालूम है यहाँ पे क्रिकेट चालू था तो ठीक है. Champions League and all रात को 12:30 बजे मैच टीवी चालू करना है. मैच छोड़ो.
Boss.
ठीक है. So my dad again, he traveled. It was me and my mom only that time. My sisters had moved out. And she's like, what match are you watching? I'm like, Manchester United is playing AS Roma. We are down in the first leg. She's like, I don't understand what you're talking about. She's like, which player are you looking at? I said, no, Ryan Giggs, whatever at that time. I was explaining to her. She's like, okay, I'll sit and watch with you. Mom also had a habit of staying up late. So she's like, watch with you. I'm like, cool. She's like, you want to eat some food? She ordered pav bhaji. So we ate pav bhaji by the way together.
Wow.
And then so happened was 7-1.
Wow.
Imagine your mom who wants to be like, why is this dumbass kid watching a match at 12:30 in the night? She's like, nah, tu support kar, बहुत मजा आवे मुझे.
Oh.
Sorry, it's on you. Thanks to my mom's a United supporter as well.
Yeah, but that's again Calcio का revenge मैंने हम लोग ने next round में ले लिया. But yeah, Annie, one more tidbit. We have heard the flying a little birdie told us that you had some when you met Michael Owen, you made a fool of yourself. Can you please tell everyone what exactly happened here?
Yeah, especially because now you're on this side, of the show. Otherwise, generally you're here.
Guys, there are no sides, they're all friends.
So can you please put some light on it? What exactly happened? हुआ क्या था?
So there was a quiz round going on with Michael Owen, and in his team was the person who won the FPL challenge, which they had to do it on the spot over the weekend. So he was with the FPL winner, and me, a guy from the Liverpool Supporters Club. I was representing MUSCM, and Varun Thakur, obviously, very funny. He was with us in our team. And if you must know, we actually won. He knows, he's proof. They came to us and they said, yeah, guys, he's going to have to win. So we kept going. Eventually, the question was very tough. The question was, what was United's name before they were United, which was Newton Heath.
हाँ मतलब सब लोग सोचेंगे अरे इतना आसान सवाल मगर न्यूटन हीथ तो obvious answer था
what was the previous
trick question was
I don't think I've learned to do these bamboozling ones. If I've got hurt, all of you will hurt too. Do you all know the answer? What was Newton Heath? When we were Newton Heath, what was the nickname?
नहीं ऑडियंस
this side now.
ऑडियंस में कमेंट्स में डाल सकता है.
Yeah, you all can put it.
Yeah, you can,
Don't cheat and be like,
Let's not tell the answer. हाँ ऑडियंस कमेंट्स में डालो.
So I didn't get it, and obviously our team lost because of it, and I was shamed by 120 fans who were drinking over there. So it was fun. It was fun.
Sunil, did you secretly enjoy that?
यार मैं तो माइकल ओवन का बैंटर एंजॉय कर रहा था बिकॉज हमने वो बैनर बनाया था Owen 1 Gerrard 0 एंड द ऑर्गेनाइजर्स केप्ट टेलिंग मी कि भाई एवरी वीडियो पिक्चर में तुम्हारा बैनर ही आ रहा है प्लीज ये बैनर को हटाओ माइकल ओवन वाजंट हैप्पी विद
But
दैट
I read somewhere you asked him that question, right? Did you enjoy the Ballon d'Or more or the PL more? What was the answer? I think he said PL more.
He said I enjoyed winning the Premier League.
देखो आखिर में एवरी प्लेयर वांट्स टू विन समथिंग यार आई थिंक
उसने वही बोला कि इंडिविजुअली मेरे उम्र में एट इंडिविजुअली वो जीता वो बहुत बड़ी बात थी. He like but if you ask me realistically, come on guys, obviously it's the Premier League. Winning the Premier League is
आई एम वेटिंग फॉर वैन पर्सी टू कम टू
I think
उसको भी सेम सवाल
Sunil bhai is ready to tick all the rivals off
He's on
one by one.
the fire mode, proper fire mode today.
Reel आएगा वहाँ से.
Reel आएगा. All right, before we move on to the next segment, please leave a like on this video, comment karo, share karo, and of course subscribe to Football Bloody Hell. The next segment is the quiz. No, I'm just kidding. No quizzes here.
No quizzes here. But I think before we move on, I think if there are any United fans who don't know about their fan club,
Yeah.
how can they get in touch with the fan clubs?
सबसे easy way is to go to Instagram.
Don't
find-
message Sunil. Don't message Sunil on any platform directly.
सबसे easy way is to go on Instagram, MUFC Mumbai. I think उसके में बायो में लिंक है. I think that link has everything in it कि कैसे ज्वाइन करना है, कैसे मेंबर बनना है, कैसे ये स्कार्फ लेना है. ये हमने 20th ईयर के लिए स्पेशल स्कार्फ बनाया है. It has all the information on it.
चलो we'll plug that in the details also. तो लाइफ आसान कर देंगे हम if you're a Man United fan. तो चलिए दोस्तों, हम बढ़ते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट पे, जहाँ पे हम बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट tactics. And for tactics, we need a tactics wala. Presenting our very own, our in-house tactician from the streets of Malad, Parmeshwar Srivastava. Param, welcome. आजाओ BRE 32.
चाओ एवरीवन. सो आई थिंक हमने ऑब्वियसली मैन यूनाइटेड सपोर्टर्स क्लब की स्टोरी को कवर किया, बट अनिमेश और सुनील भाई, आई थिंक हमें मैन यूनाइटेड के टैक्टिक्स के बारे में बात करना चाहिए, बिकॉज वी हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रेट यूनाइटेड साइड्स ओवर द इयर्स विद सर एलेक्स फर्ग्यूसन, ऑफ कोर्स. So let's delve into the all-time 11. I know this is going to be quite challenging because there have been so many great players, and I think we should start with the most debatable position, the goal. We'll start with you, Sunil bhai, first.
हाँ, I think last मैं माइकल का बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ, मगर I have seen Van der Sar play more, so I would.
लगता है चुभता है बिकॉज इट्स माइकल का जो एक परफॉर्मेंसेस था ना, एक बेंचमार्क था फॉर इवन वैन डर सार, सो इट फील्स वियर्ड बट
And we have seen Van der Sar win us the Champions League.
ठीक है वैन डर सार, लेट्स डू वैन डर सार.
ओनाना डिबेट में
उस वॉल को आप जितना दूर रखो उतना अच्छा है.
Great. Thank you for the money, by the way. Moving on from goal, we can all agree, obviously, two great goalkeepers. You can pick any one of them. We'll move into the defense because we saw a very solid defense at Man United over the years with Sir Alex Ferguson. You had the likes of Jaap Stam, of course. But we'll start with the fullbacks. Animesh bhai, this time I'll start with you. क्या बोलोगे? कौन से दो fullbacks लोगे यार आप लोग?
If you just had to pick one, I mean on the right hand side, right? I think it's Gary Neville.
मैं बोलूँगा एक फर्गसन का टाइम को जाते हैं और एक थोड़ा बाद का गैरी नेविल एंड पैट्रिस एवरा अगर हम पिक करें. I think that's
I would have probably chosen Dennis Irwin, you know, because legendary.
Left, you can maybe even look at Dennis Irwin क्योंकि longevity था उसका थोड़ा, but Gary Neville is again picks himself.
Picks himself. What about the left hand side, Sunil bhai? क्या
Evra, it is. Are we locking on Evra?
Evra is more suited to the modern game. आज अगर एवरा आज होता, I think he would have been more popular because वो बहुत आगे जाता था. तो I would go with Evra.
Evra, fair enough. Those are again two very solid fullbacks. Centre back pairing पे आते हैं.
I would say let's go with 1 and 1.
makes
Jaap Stam and Rio would
I
have
think
been a great.
Jaap Stam and Rio would be look.
Great partnership.
I'm a big Vidic fan. There are people who are Rio Ferdinand fans. I was the Vidic fan. पत्थर रख के बोल रहा हूँ. If I had to be really fair and I had to like take my heart out of it, I think Stam does deserve a shoe in here.
Moving on to the midfield, Sunil bhai. Again, Ferguson के core principles थे pace, power, unpredictability, और again star names all round and using the width tactically. Just simple old school stuff which you do not see these days. कि चलो wing से start करते हैं. किसको डालोगे right पे अगर डालना रहे तो?
Right, it's David Beckham.
Yeah, I think मैंने नाम लिया है Beckham, तो I have to put in left.
Yeah, left पे जाते हैं. Of course, there is a lot of options.
अब रोनाल्डो का नाम नहीं लिया तो हमको.
बट वहाँ पे गिग्स ही डाल सकते. 11 है, 11 डाला है उधर, क्या करे उधर, नंबर 11 है. तो डिसाइड करे कि रोनाल्डो देखो.
रोनाल्डो का अप फ्रंट डाल देंगे. Like let's put Giggs. I think Giggs.
Yeah, Giggs has to be there, of course. And obviously, Sir Alex Ferguson also said that Giggs was one of his core players in it.
And 13 Premier League titles यार. मतलब how can you dismiss that?
And interesting story behind Giggs, of course, he was a Man City youth product, and obviously Sir Alex Ferguson went personally to scout him. He was told by a steward, I think, if I'm not wrong, to go and watch him, and he picked Giggs over there. So just, yeah, I mean, you can't just not have him there. Animesh, I'll come to you with the central midfield. Again, very tricky.
It's Scholes, Keane and Carrick.
पहले के भी नाम मतलब how can you forget Cantona?
Cantona, everyone comes
So,
in
but
that.
Roy Keane has to be there, I feel, because.
Yeah. So basically then there is no Carrick, because it has to be Roy Keane and Scholes according to me.
हाँ, I think Scholes is also an obvious pick,
Carrick, Mafi.
and Roy Keane.
And I think so final picks are Roy Keane and Scholes, right?
Yeah.
Roy Keane and Scholes. But Again, moving on to the attack, this I think again this has to be the toughest because you already have put Ronaldo in there.
I would
नहीं मैं रोनाल्डो सिर्फ फैन फेवरेट है करके बोल रहा हूँ.
But actually, Sunil,
No, but
why can't we put in Rooney and Cantona here?
Boys, I think forget जो public क्या बोलेगी, दिल से बोलो, Ronaldo yes or no?
Cantona.
Ronaldo, yes, because 20 years के screenings में probably have the best moments when Ronaldo was playing. मतलब तो.
And to be fair, for Sir Alex Ferguson also said that Ronaldo was the cherry on the cake for his era. So.
No, but I think let's clip this for the audience. I think to get some comments.
आप लोग कमेंट पे बताइए रोनाल्डो और कैंटना.
हाँ, audience को ही pick करने दो.
All right, that was the combined Man United 11 picked by Sunil Ji and Annie. Now moving on to the club that we paired with Man United, it's Chintan's very own AC Milan. आज का जो union है is a Forza GGMU union. Chintan, can you tell our viewers about your best AC Milan 11?
पहली बात तो एक्चुअली हम लोग ने काफ़ी ये सुना है अभी रिसेंटली एंचेलोटी वन द चैंपियंस लीग विद रियल मैड्रिड एंड ऑल. एक बहुत ही कॉमन थिंग मैं सुनते आ रहा हूँ विच काइंड ऑफ राइल्स मी अप टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट इज दैट कार्लो एंचेलोटी is just a man manager. He's not a tactician.
Man भी नहीं, vibes, just vibes है दोस्तों.
Which actually kind of riles me up because जैसे पता है this is the Christmas tree formation and he's the probably बोल सकते हैं he set this Christmas tree so famous and that Milan domination जो था 2000s में. So I guess for that reason itself, I think मेरा manager बहुत clear है who I'll pick. Just for this one reason, I would have picked someone else, but for this one reason, I would like to pick the Christmas tree and Ancelotti. So Param, our tactics wala, let's delve right into this starting 11.
Yeah, so Chintan में obviously again AC Milan में हमने बहुत अच्छे goalkeepers, world class goalkeepers देखे. Dida has to be the pick, right?
I'll rile up the fan base and I will pick Donnarumma.
Wow, that's I mean
Donnarumma.
That's the sound of people logging out, bro.
views गिरने वाले, dislikes बहुत बढ़ने वाले, but
Donnarumma is not GGMU, by the way.
oh yeah. And fullbacks पे आते हैं Chintan में obviously great names. We'll start from the left. Has to be the most obvious pick, right?
I think I'll go with Serginho.
Serginho.
Right back.
Let's go right back last. I'll go with centre backs first.
Centre backs, okay, fair enough.
The reason why I went with Serginho as left back and not as Paolo is because we want him in the centre.
And we talk a lot about aura these days in football with a certain
OG
Mr.
aura.
OG aura,
OG
of course.
aura तो भाई.
A lot of Maldini lookalikes as well in modern football, but he's the OG. Who would you partner him with?
Has to be Nesta. Has to be Nesta.
Maldini, Nesta, yeah.
Right back, Chintan, but you said you are saving it for the end. Who?
This is a tough. I think I'll keep that last.
Okay, towards the end, towards the absolute.
No, you want to put on the spot, man. Like he's suffering. He's
No
boiling.
VAR. Kafu बोल दे.
Yeah, I think. I was thinking
no,
Cafu.
no.
I'm going to go with Cafu only.
Done.
Yes, Cafu. Let me go with Cafu here. मैं Cafu last में रखना था World Cup winner था so yeah, but yeah, I'll go with Cafu here.
That defense is already iconic and legendary, and as Animesh Bhai said, it can literally stop any attack in the world. But midfield, Chintan Bhai, come on, there has to be Kaka, right? या भी उसको भी नहीं डालोगे.
Oh, भाई.
ये क्या reaction है?
I'll start number 6 first. Number the CDM. I'll go with Pirlo there.
Yeah.
I have to go. I saw Pirlo. I know, however heartbreaking it was to see him to play for Juventus.
But to partner him, come on.
Of course. There's no, the general has to be there, Gattuso.
Yeah.
If Pirlo is there, Gattuso has to be there. You know, such players take your team. Your team चलती है इनकी वजह से, I feel. So he has to be there, over there. I have to go with Seedorf.
Seedorf, yeah. I mean, one of the biggest regrets. We sold him, of course. And
ये एक चीज जो चलती रहती है सेरिया में.
नहीं वो सिर्फ मिलान के अपने चलते हैं.
मैं narrative set नहीं करता ये सब. You said the narrative.
Yeah, I'll go with that. Now comes the scary part.
the attacking trident, yeah.
No, up top has to be Shevchenko. Because I think not many people know is of course I love Paolo and I saw him for Italy, but when I fell in love with Milan was pure Shevchenko.
If there was that one player that would kind of, you would always be scared of or cautious, was Shevchenko primarily. So yeah, definitely has to.
So Shevchenko is there. I'll go with Kaká, man. Ballon d'Or winner. Kaká has to be there. Kaká won us the Champions League single-handedly.
Of course.
इनके लिए थोड़ा दर्द भरा था, but that Old Trafford win is the one where he stamped his authority. That Champions League, he comes there. I'm gonna pick Rui Costa now.
Oh, yeah.
Rui Costa.
Rui Costa is
Blast from the past.
Rui Costa is the one
That was
who,
not expected.
yeah, he's the one जो काका आया था, but काका बाद में आया. Shevchenko, Rui Costa मैंने देखा हुआ था.
No space for Pippo Inzaghi.
If I go with this Christmas tree, no. So I will go with Rui Costa here. And of course for manager, मैंने जैसे बोल दिया Christmas tree है, तो I'll go with Don Carlo.
Fair enough. A question for both sides. First, I'll start with you, Chintan bhai. If you had to pick one player from the Man United 11 they built that can go in here.
मैं एक प्लेयर के लिए चेंज कर सकता हूँ because one United player I've always loved is Wayne Rooney. So उसके लिए I would remove Kaka for
Oh, removing Kaka. Hi, Milan fans are going to come at Chintan.
But I love Rui Costa. I can't remove Rui Costa. Can't remove the midfield. Can't change the back line, of course. I will go with Wayne Rooney. What a player. So that's one player I would pick.
Sunil bhai and Animesh bhai, one player you see from this 11 that you feel आ सकता है जो आपने Man United 11 बनाया उसमें.
मतलब आ तो every player सकता है.
That's why that's the challenge. that एक तो एक ही सिर्फ.
If I had to pick just one, no, I would replace Rio with Nesta right now.
Yeah, I would want to see Kaka play in our team, like a Brazilian, ज़्यादा Brazilian.
Irfan sir, ये बंधन ये तू swap कर मैं swap कर.
I think I would have loved to see Kaka in our team.
All right, that was a segment about tactics. Thank you so much, Tactics Wala, for your
A
contribution.
pleasure as always discussing tactics, and we saw two great lineups, of course, and hope to see more of this. So thank you for having me on.
Now you can go to a billionaire house. Thank you, Tactic Wala. Before moving on to the next segment, आप लोग comments में लिखना if this Man United 11 played an AC Milan 11, who would come out as a winner? And of course, you can also drop your United 11 or Milan 11. तो यार टैक्टिक्स तो सब हो गया, थोड़ा अपन ने स्टूडियस बात किया, तो थोड़ा भी मस्ती करे. क्विज नहीं आ रहा सुनील, डोंट वरी, नो क्विज़ टुनाइट. बट थोड़ा यू हैव सम पिज्जा. डू यू फील लाइक ईटिंग सम पिज्जा? बिकॉज है कैपेचिनो पे चर्चा, अपन कॉफी तो है यहाँ पे, बट कुछ पिज्जा भी हो जाए. गाइस कीप एन आई आउट फॉर द जर्सी, ओके? स्पेशल वन.
Alex Ferguson and pizza.
पिज्जा गेट हो गया यहाँ पे यार.
Ironically, the manager he's currently managing Como.
Oh yeah.
Life comes full circle.
It does.
Just
it
like
does.
the pizza.
Now we have spoken about Sir Alex Ferguson, the great 11. यार, I know थोड़ा खराब होगा, लेकिन let's delve into the current.
अचानक से हम present tense में आ गए.
Yeah, let's delve into this. Of course, थोड़ा small resurgence, but Amorim, of course, and जो last 5-6 सीजन से चल रहा है, managers are changing, players आ रहे हैं, बाहर जाके अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. नापोली, मैकटोमिने ऑफ कोर्स नापोली में गया, हॉलैंड आके गोल मारना चालू कर दिया था. सो माय वन क्वेश्चन टू यू इज, जो प्रॉब्ली तुमको बहुत ही जन ने पूछा होगा, बट नॉट दैट सिंपल. व्हाट इज गोइंग रॉन्ग? क्या हो रहा है? इज इट द मैनेजमेंट? Is it the players or is it the manager?
Yes.
पाँच घंटे का एपिसोड हो जाएगा. But
Yes, हाँ.
in short, like you said, यार, football goes in cycles. You have to just accept it कि अब लिवरपूल का अच्छा टाइम चल रहा है या सिटी का अच्छा चल, और हमारा बुरा चल रहा है. मतलब आई थिंक इट विल टेक सम टाइम. अब मैं पूरा डिटेल में नहीं जाऊंगा, मगर दिस ओनरशिप हैज डेफिनेटली हार्म्ड मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड. एंड रूबिन एमरम भाई मेरा लास्ट होप है, बिकॉज अगर ये नहीं चला तो आई डोंट नो. अभी ब्रेंटफोर्ड के सामने जब हारे थे एंड everyone was saying sack him, I was भाई पूरा टीम चेंज कर दिया है उसके लिए, एंड नाउ यू गो एंड sack him. हम शायद जीरो भी नहीं, हम स्टार्टिंग लाइनअप के पीछे चले जाएंगे. मतलब इट, आई एम जस्ट होपिंग ही कम्स गुड.
And can it get worse than what happened last season?
Look, we're not going to get relegated ever. That's what's worse is relegation.
Yeah.
Straight up, right? It's not going to get
Never say
relegated.
never.
Unless you go into administration or something like that, right? That is the worry, which debt and no, we're not going to get relegated, man. It's just to a simple point. It can't get worse than what happened last year. Like it comes to, I think, a wake-up call to the fans. कि आजकल reactionary बनना इतना dangerous है. Because you are putting yourself in such dangerous loops कि when you are finally doing well also na, you don't really enjoy it because you're expecting the pitfall coming automatically. So the one thing I've taken from Amorim's reign specifically एक साल, उसको एक साल हुआ है, properly एक साल हुआ है, is be less reactionary. It's so much easier said than done. But अगर जो हम देखें कि पूरा टीम चेंज कर दिया है, you've changed 6 attackers, man, and you are still struggling to score. You were struggling to score, right? Comes to the point there's something fundamentally wrong when players enter. You know this aura. They're entering Old Trafford now, and like a dark shadow is looming over everybody. Yeah. It's like a dementor sucking their soul out immediately. So they're succumbing to the pressure right now. just give everybody time. ये बोलने को आसान है. I know people are like easy to say, but you have to do the hard work now. The hard work is not just on the managers, not just on the, it's not just on the players, it's on the fans. Like you really grit your teeth and take some dirty wins or very dirty draws.
But to be fair यार हमारे fans ने काफी withstand किया है. And I still feel United fans are always the loudest in the stadium. तो मैं fans पे तो इतना emphasis नहीं दूंगा यार. I feel social media आजकल हम control नहीं कर सकते. वो तो होता है. And आप Sky Sports fans अगर नहीं भी करे तो Sky Sports खुद ही 50 episode करेंगे Ruben Amorim पे और system पे जब हारते तो सब बात करते.
They make it because people are watching it.
So I know United always going to be in the limelight, but boss, as you said, football is a circle. शायद of course you get good times back, and आज ये episode जो twin किया है with Milan, and I think United वापस आ जाएगा. The Devils are not yet up, but I think they should, because I think football needs United, football needs Milan, football needs these clubs जो एक value होते हैं, cultural value होता है, what we bring to the table for the footballing world. I think people need to know.
Yeah. These are
And these are like over a period of time worked up जो एक fan culture बनाया है. I think जो हमारे जो fans है, they are also sleeping right now. I think they also need to get up. So guys, this is it from us. You know, हम लोग बचपन से ये सुनते आ रहे हैं that football is just a sport. पहले parents बोलते थे football is just a sport. बाद में friends बोलने लगे football is just a sport. Then your better halves say this same thing. Football is just a sport. एक game, एक टीम तुमको इतना अफेक्ट कैसे कर सकता है. एंड समटाइम्स वी वंडर दैट हाँ यार ऐसा कैसे है, बट दिस टाइम आई एम नॉट गोना मेक इट हैपन. बट अगेन योर टीम लूजेस, your mood is bad, your team wins, your day is amazing. And एक बार मैं रात को सो रहा था, and the only thing that came to my mind is
football. Bloody hell.
Guys, like, share, subscribe this. If you like this episode, please share it with your friends. Please share it with your United fans. We're going to get you more such stories, you know. And please comment which clubs do you want us to talk about. Till then, it's ciao ciao.